Which brings us to generative AI. You know it as ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E. This is the AI that creates. It's a type of deep learning model, often a transformer, or LLM, that was trained on a massive part of the internet. It learned the patterns of language, art, and code so well that it can generate new content. You give it a prompt, it gives you an output. But it has a weakness. It's passive. It stops when it gives you the output. It waits for your next prompt. This is why the next big thing is Agentic AI. Don't confuse them. Generative AI creates. Agentic AI decides and acts. And Agentic AI has a goal. It doesn't just write one email. You tell it, plan my vacation to Italy. It will then reason, I need to book flights. Plan. First, search for flights. Second, find hotels. Third, book a rental car, and take action, execute the search, fill out the forms, and ask you for confirmation. Generative AI is the content